क्या तूने व्हाट्सएप अनइंस्टॉल कर दिया? तू भी? What about you? Majority of the population are migrating to Signal and Telegram. और reason आप सबको पता है. Almost all the tech enthusiasts have come up with their version of video on WhatsApp privacy policy. तो सवाल यहाँ उठना जाहिर है कि तुम नया क्या लाने वाले हो? Something about that petition for which there is a win-win situation for all of us till the May 15th. I can assure you guys this video will be the easiest one for understanding the trending issue which hasn't yet come to a concluding point. So looking forward to this trending issue within a wrap of just few minutes. Hey there, I am Rajat. Let's open up. चलिए एक छोटे से टाइम स्पैन में इसके बैकग्राउंड के बारे में जान लेते हैं. It was way back in 2009, WhatsApp was released in the Play Store. Then WhatsApp confirmed that it would never sell our data to the third-party applications. फिर आता है फरवरी 2014. WhatsApp को Facebook खरीद लेता है and then there WhatsApp starts sharing our data to its parent company that is Facebook. इस बड़े से स्टेप के बाद भी यूजर्स के लिए कोई चिंता का विषय नहीं था, as we were given a choice to opt for that or not. हमारे पास ऑप्शंस थी कि हम अपनी डेटा को फेसबुक के साथ शेयर करें या ना करें. Until we woke up to 4th January 2021 और जैसे ही अपना WhatsApp ओपन किया, there was a pop notification on the screen जिसके थ्रू WhatsApp हमसे हमारी डेटा को फेसबुक और थर्ड पार्टी एप्लीकेशन को शेयर करने की परमिशन मांग रही थी. The time you clicked on that agree button, congratulations, your data can now be accessed by the Facebook or any third-party application. Back then in 2009, WhatsApp had made commitment that it would never sell the user's data to any of the third-party application. But now everything is new before us. If we don't agree to their terms and condition and their privacy policy, then WhatsApp might delete our account. मगर सवाल यहाँ उठता है, कब तक? Before on 4th January, WhatsApp had informed all its users that if we don't agree to their privacy conditions, our account might be deleted by 8th of February. But there is a good news. All thanks to the Confederation of All India Traders who moved to the Supreme Court, filed a petition against the WhatsApp for sharing the data to any of the entity. Later to which WhatsApp has changed this date from 8th of February to 15th of May. इसका मतलब 15 मई तक हमारे पास समय है कि हम इस प्राइवेसी पॉलिसी के नोटिफिकेशन को इग्नोर कर सकते हैं. डेटा शेयरिंग की बात जब आती है तो सबसे पहला बात हमारे दिमाग में क्या आता है? हमारी पर्सनल चैट्स, राइट? वेल, WhatsApp के माने तो हमारे चैट्स एंड टू एंड एनक्रिप्टेड है, जिसका मतलब इसे कोई डिकोड नहीं कर सकता एक्सेप्ट द यूजर whom you are sending the messages. But this data sharing is more than what we think. हमारा लोकेशन डेटा, हमारा IP एड्रेस, हमारा ISP, the time zone, language, browser, the OS, the phone model, and even the IMEI number. A common man might have a question. ये सब डेटा शेयरिंग से क्या ही हो जाएगा? But when it comes to the higher officials, the bureaucrats, the judges, the defense personnel, crores of traders, the member of the parliament, the higher level ministers, then there the data sharing may be a risk. The national security of the nation will be at stake by all these activities. तो फिर क्या करें? आखिर solution ही क्या है हमारे पास? Who is going to help us? There is only one who could help us and itself too. Our government. Heading on to this, our Ministry of Electronics and IT yesterday had sent a letter to the WhatsApp regarding the recent privacy policy which is giving rise to lots of concern. There is a compulsory need of data protection bill to be passed at both the houses of the parliament. ये WhatsApp की privacy policy से EU को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. Because of the GDPR, the European Union General Data Protection Regulation guarantees the data security to all its users. Look, this particular platform WhatsApp has grown exponentially. At present, there are 2 billion and more users of WhatsApp. And in India, there are more than 400 million users of WhatsApp. ये बस WhatsApp की कहानी नहीं है. आज WhatsApp अपनी प्राइवेसी पॉलिसी अपडेट की है, कल को कोई और कर लेगा. We all know that we all are trapped in this vicious circle. So the government should carry out the technical audits of these data centers, of these online platforms where the data of Indian users were being stored in the past or is being stored at present. Such data, if found, should be deleted or retrieved. खुशी इस बात की है कि we Indians have the right to privacy under the Article 21 guaranteed by our Indian Constitution. मगर दुख इस बात की है कि after this WhatsApp controversy, the government has failed to play the role of a guardian and protect the fundamental right of the citizen. And by letting you guys know about this very small fact, it does make sense to me.